Scabies is an itchy and contagious skin condition caused by mites. It induces the urge to scratch. You need a quick treatment to soothe the itch and get rid of scabies. You can use clove oil for scabies as one of the most effective home remedies. It not only gives you instant relief from the urge to scratch but also clears scabies effectively. In this video we will discuss how good clove oil is for scabies and how to use it for an effective treatment to kill the mites. So stay tuned to the end. Scabies is caused by a tiny burrowing mite called Sarcoptes scabiei. It gives an intense itching after the mite burrows. The itching is stronger at night. It is a highly contagious skin condition, therefore treatment is generally given to everyone in the family. Clove oil is very effective in treating scabies. Clove oil has antioxidant, antimicrobial and anesthetic capabilities. It's also an effective insecticide and used in many mosquito repellents. It contains a compound called eugenol which contains all these properties. A 2010 study published in the journal PLOS One suggests that eugenol can kill the mites to treat scabies. Clove oil not only helps soothe the pain and itch of bites but also sanitizes the skin. You need to be aware that clove oil is a highly concentrated plant extract. It can burn your skin if applied directly on the skin. That is why clove oil and almost all other essential oils are diluted in a carrier oil before use on the skin. You can add 2 drops of clove essential oil and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to apply on scabies. You can use other carrier oils such as olive oil or almond oil. Apply the clove oil and coconut mix on scabies with a cotton swab after cleaning the affected skin. Repeat it twice daily until mites and their eggs are completely killed to clear scabies. It generally takes about 3 weeks for scabies to get wiped out completely. Make sure that scabies don't spread within your body and others in the family. Bottom line is clove oil is one of the best remedies for scabies. Use it diluted in a carrier oil. If you don't experience any benefits within a couple of days, then consult a doctor. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.